Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for honest reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of mascaras and uncovering what might just be the holy grail of eye makeup. Get ready to meet the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. If you're on the quest for luscious, voluminous lashes that could rival even the most glamorous falsies, then look no further. Allow me to introduce you to the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara, a true game-changer in the beauty world. Let's start with the packaging, sleek, regal, and oozing sophistication. The black and green color scheme sets the tone for what's to come: luxurious, defined lashes that demand attention. Now, let's talk about the wand, equipped with a conically shaped fiber brush designed to coat every single lash from root to tip. Say goodbye to clumpy, gloopy mascara applications and hello to precise, effortless coverage. But enough about the aesthetics, let's talk results. With just a few swipes of the Essence Lash Princess Mascara, prepare to be amazed. Witness as your lashes transform into voluminous, fluttery works of art, without a clump in sight. And here's the cherry on top. This mascara isn't just about beauty, it's about ethics too. Formulated to be cruelty-free and gluten-free, you can back those stunning lashes with confidence, knowing you're supporting a brand that aligns with your values. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some of the thousands of satisfied customers who have experienced the magic of Essence Lash Princess Mascara firsthand. In summary, if you're in the market for the best mascara for your eyes, look no further than the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. With its unbeatable formula, precise application, and ethical credentials, it's a must-have addition to any makeup lover's collection. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, happy shopping.